Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your MSI GF63 thin laptop. We're looking at the ATEC 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz SATA module. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, this might be the upgrade you need. This particular ATEC module is designed to be compatible with a wide range of MSI GF63 thin models, including the 10SC, 10SCS, and even the newer 12E and 12E variants. It's a single 32GB module, so make sure your laptop has an available slot or that you're replacing an existing module of smaller capacity. The specs are pretty standard for a DDR4 upgrade: 3200 MHz speed, PC4-25600 rating, and it operates at 1.2V, which is crucial for laptop battery life. It's a 2RX8 or dual rank module, which can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage over single rank modules, depending on your system's configuration. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading your RAM is the immediate improvement in system responsiveness. With 32GB, you can comfortably run multiple applications, keep numerous browser tabs open, and handle larger files without experiencing significant slowdowns. This is especially noticeable when gaming or working with creative software. Installation is generally straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that can be done at home without any special expertise. Of course, always refer to your MSI GF63 Thins manual for specific instructions on accessing and installing RAM modules. Make sure you properly ground yourself before touching any internal components to avoid static discharge. ATEC also backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter before or after your purchase. This level of support can be invaluable if you're not particularly tech savvy. Overall, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module appears to be a solid upgrade option for MSI GF63 thin laptop owners looking to boost performance and extend the lifespan of their machines. The increased memory capacity can significantly improve multitasking capabilities and overall system responsiveness, making it a worthwhile investment for both gamers and professionals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.